Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So whenever the Nvidia Shield TV came out in 2015, it quickly became the undisputed king of streaming boxes. But not only that, it also makes an awesome gaming console, especially for retro gamers like myself who love emulation. And so what I did was I actually got the Nvidia Shield Gaming Edition. So with this one, I got the controller and also the remote as well. And for me, to this day in 2019, it is still the best streaming box, but also still the best gaming console for people like myself. And so now we actually have a brand new version. We have the Nvidia Shield TV Pro 2019 edition, and there's two different versions of it. So let's go ahead and see if this is worth upgrading if you already have the Nvidia Shield, or worth buying new if you don't have one. So let's take a look at the brand new models because there's now two different versions. The regular version comes in this new miniature tubular design, and the Pro version looks exactly the same as the 2017 model. And the biggest difference for both of them is a brand new controller, and it also comes with a Netflix button. And the other big difference is neither one of these models comes with a Shield game controller. So let's go ahead and look at these a little bit further, starting with the Pro model. As far as I could tell, this is exactly the same physical design as the 2017 edition. The only difference here is it now comes with a Tegra X1 Plus processor. The amount of RAM at 3 gigs is the same. Onboard storage is still 16 gigs. And the number of ports is still exactly the same. There's two USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and power connector. So let's go ahead and look over the other one, which is the base model in this new tubular design. So it does have the same processor, but less RAM at 2 gigs. And the onboard storage has been cut in half to 8 gigs. And instead of having USB ports, it comes with a micro SD card slot. And so that's really the only difference between this and the previous models, the 2017 edition. It's just basically the processor, and everything else is the same beyond the controller. And so if I actually look at this, if you already own an Nvidia Shield TV, then I do not see the benefit in upgrading to these. Because if you actually look at the 2017 edition, you can currently get the base model starting at $179 while supplies last, because they're obviously going to get rid of all these older models. And the gaming edition, the one I have, is $199. And if you can, you should look for deals on this, because once these are gone, I don't think you're going to be able to get them new unless you buy them used on Amazon or eBay. Because there was also another edition, the 500 gig, which is no longer available. So in my opinion, if you already have an Nvidia Shield, I do not think it's worth upgrading to this new 2019 edition. For the best value in domain names, check out Namecheap, where you could get a domain for an entire year for less than $10, plus get WhoisGuard privacy protection for free. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And if you don't have an Nvidia Shield, then I would highly recommend that you look for the gaming edition and get that, especially if it is on sale. Or even the base model, you're probably able to get it on sale if possible. If not, if you just want just a purely streaming device, then maybe this new base model Shield TV at $150 might be worth it. But if you're wanting more features, then I really still don't see, the value in getting the TV Pro. Even though it does have a better processor, it just doesn't give me anything different, and it doesn't come with a Shield controller. So that's my overall thoughts on this. If you already have a Shield TV, whether it's the 2015 edition or the 2017, I don't think it's worth it. If you're brand new to it, try to find the older editions if possible, especially the gaming edition. But if not, go ahead and look at this Shield TV. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you are a current Shield TV owner or maybe you're looking for a streaming box, leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my previous review of my Nvidia Shield, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, If you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.